is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Pilot Metropolitan Model Roller Ball Pen. We all know that Pilot fountain pens have a huge audience. In the same way for this roller ball pen, we have the same huge audience. Now, and this is a animal series. Now we'll look into this pen. In this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Look at this pen. Whoa. This color combination, it's a bronze, and this animal series is a lizard. You can see here. Oh, it's very smooth. This overall body is made up of metal, and look at this clip section. Okay, it's not user friendly clip, but it's a tight clip. Yeah, it's in a medium clip, so we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary. And there is a rounded finial at the top and the bottom, and there is no logo, no design in this pen. Only in the right top of the clip we can see Pilot in a tiny words. Other than that, there is no logo over here. Here in the bottom of the pen, near the band area, there is a Pilot Japan. This all Pilot pens are made in Japan, and there is no band or trim rings. You can see here it's a very smooth animal series pen. Now we'll do the construction of the pen, whether it's a overweight or a mid weight. Okay, we'll check that. It's 137.27 mm. Now I'll remove the cap and check the overall length. It's 123.21 mm. Now we'll check the grip section. It's 8.33 mm. Now we'll check the thread type. Grip section. It's 10.77 mm. Okay. Now we'll check the overall weight of this pen. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. And it's 28 gram. Okay. Now we'll remove the cap and then we'll check the weight. And it's 18 gram. This cap carries almost 10 gram. In this there is a jatter over here. We'll remove the refill and we'll check the weight again. Okay, it's 25 gram and this refill is a 3 gram. Okay, now we'll move on to the video. Now we saw the construction of the pen, and this is not a heavyweight pen, but it's like 28 gram. Okay, now we'll look into this pen. This is the snap-on cap, so we can easily open this, and wow, you can see here. Look at the grip section and the color combination: bronze, lizard, and then black, and in the tip, nearby tip, there is a silver coated, and this is a plastic grip section, you can see, and this is a big part grip section, so all the hand users can easily write in this. Okay, it's not slippery and we can handle very well, and it's amazing. And we check what type of cartridge is this, and this is a medium tip and 0.7 mm. And this black color, you can see here. In this refill also they have mentioned Japan over here and then Pilot. Yeah, nice. Now I'll do the writing sample, whether it's writing smooth or not. We'll check whether this grip section is slippery or not. We'll check that once. Now we'll do the writing sample of this pen. Look at the grip section. We'll check whether it's slippery now. First, we'll write penhouse.in. And then this is a black color refill. And this is medium tip. If you want to purchase these types of spares available in penhouse.in, kindly contact us. And this grip section is not slippery actually. Okay, it's very smooth actually. I can't control my writing. It's very wavy and very smooth. Now I'll write the alphabets. You can see here it's medium tip and it's very smooth. I can't feel any roughness in tiny areas also. It's just amazing. Okay. Well, back to our video. Now we saw the writing sample. It's very smooth. Actually, I love this pen because of this medium tip nib. It's very smooth and this grip section is not at all slippery. So overall can use this pen. It's a general usage pen. It's a daily usage pen. So all the adults and then kids also can use this pen. But this is a premium pen. So the brand Pilot itself, it have a huge audience. So most probably adults can use this pen and it's just amazing. Whether pen house is only selling this type of branded pens? No, not at all. We are selling more different brands and customization pens and spares top to bottom repairing we are doing. Other than that, we are doing acrylic and MDF products, clocks, gift items, corporate gift items under short timings and affordable prices. If you want to know all the categories, link in the description, kindly contact us. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. We'll come with a more exciting pen in the next video. Tada, bye bye.